Here we have a Masa Slingshot recumbent. It's a vintage recumbent built in 1978 by a defunct bicycle company that TIG-welded bicycles in Japan for shipment to America and sold here in California. The bicycle has been upgraded to compete with today's standards of recumbents because the bike is actually used to ride. I have a 7-speed rear, 7-speed, I'm sorry, it's 9-speed. I have yet to put the 9-speed rear derailleur on, but that's coming soon. With C-clamp to back wheel and the idler pulley. The bike has 2 idler pulleys. The chain is 13.5 feet long. Under the bottom is a return idler, which you can barely see between the gear cable, and it is right there. The bike has a sling and a seat. The bike has front Sturmy Archer drum brakes and a rear view mirror. The chain ring is a triple. It's a standard, which is larger than most, meaning it has 52 teeth. And the boom attachment, which holds the water bottle or GPS when necessary. Air horn for the folks. The steering is cantilever, and the steering is very sensitive at speeds of 40 plus miles an hour. One must be careful when descending hills at this speed because the cantilever has a differential of 1 to 2 inches in the rear to a foot or so in the front when you're going around curves. As I mentioned before, the bike is vintage. It is a 1978 Masa Slingshot. The front wheels are 20-inch Sturmy Archer. The air bottle is gone. It exploded. I put too much air in it last week. I'll replace that for safety. And the rear wheel is a 26-inch high-pressure tire. And the bicycle rack for the back over the wheels is for saddlebags and traveling. As of 11/4/2010, made my second trip around the American River Trail, 66 miles round trip on, yes, this vintage Slingshot recumbent. It took 6.5 hours. It was the best and most enjoyable, pleasurable ride to date.